Hey there, beauty lovers, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, your hair is one of your most prized possessions, and finding the right products to keep it looking its best is always a top priority. Today, we're talking about the R+Co Hotspot Care Kit, which promises to bring your hair the perfect balance of nourishment, shine, and protection. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. This kit comes with two key products, the TELEVISION Perfect Hair Shampoo and the Hot Spell Thermo Blowout Balm. Together, they're designed to address some common hair concerns, from dullness and frizz to managing heat styling. First up, the TELEVISION Perfect Hair Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo that works for all hair types, from fine to thick, and it's especially great for tackling frizz and bringing back that natural shine. It has a smooth, creamy texture that lathers really well, and you can feel it hydrating your strands immediately. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients that leave the hair feeling soft, clean, and refreshed without stripping it. The scent? Absolutely divine, citrusy and fresh, but not overpowering. Now, onto the Hot Spell Thermo Blowout Balm. This one's a real game changer if you use heat styling tools regularly. It offers protection from heat damage while providing a smooth, frizz-free finish. The balm itself is lightweight and doesn't weigh the hair down, which is key if you're prone to flatness or limp hair after styling. It also adds a subtle shine and helps maintain the shape and hold of your blowout throughout the day. I was impressed by how well it kept my hair in place without making it feel crunchy or sticky. In terms of real-world testing, these products integrate seamlessly into your routine. The shampoo, with its gentle yet effective formula, is easy to incorporate into daily washes, and the balm works perfectly as a prep step before blow drying. I found my hair looked shinier, smoother, and felt more manageable after using both products together. The overall performance is solid, especially if you're dealing with frizz or lackluster hair. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, both products have a luxurious feel and are gentle on the hair while providing noticeable results. The shampoo is sulfate-free, so it's great for anyone with sensitive scalps or color-treated hair. The blowout balm does exactly what it says on the tin, protects your hair from heat and adds a beautiful shine. The scent is a bonus for me, but some may find it a little strong, so it's worth keeping that in mind if you're sensitive to fragrances. On the flip side, the shampoo can be a bit on the pricier side for some, but the results justify the investment, especially for those looking to repair and protect damaged hair. The balm is also a bit heavy on the texture if you have fine hair, so a little goes a long way. Is this kit worth the price? I'd say it's a solid investment for those who want to take their hair care game to the next level. The shampoo is gentle, and the balm provides excellent heat protection, which are both key features for anyone dealing with frizz or styling damage. If you're used to high-end hair care, this kit's value aligns with the results it delivers. Comparing it to other products in the market, there are certainly cheaper options, but they don't offer the same level of protection or shine that R+Co does. For the price, I think this kit is a great choice, especially if you've struggled to find something that works for your hair type. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and professional, and it feels high-end. I haven't noticed any issues with durability, and the products last a long time, making them a great long-term investment. If you've had any experience with R+Co or these specific products, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Whether you loved it or weren't impressed, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. To wrap things up, the R+Co Hotspot Care Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to protect and revive dull, frizzy hair, especially if heat styling is part of your routine. The shampoo and blowout balm work well together to leave your hair looking glossy, smooth, and full of life. If you're ready to elevate your hair care routine, this kit is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.